been a while. Can you see me? I don't really know. You're kind of sitting in my toothpaste or toothbrush thing. But anyway, my mom just went and bought Hot Hues hair chalk. And I'm going to test it out. I don't really know what to think. Yeah. Let's see. Ow. That hurts. Okay, I didn't really get a lot of hair. That's not good. I'm not sure if you can hear me very well, I'm sorry, but I'm in my bathroom. Okay. This hurts like a bitch, and that sucks. Okie dokie. There's just hair everywhere. It's yanking my hair out. But it doesn't leave, like, a weird feeling in your hair. So I guess that's good. Maybe I'll try blue. Blue? Huh. Let's try this again. Okay, so I guess it's cute for like a few little things, but this needs to... Oh, wait. That's not what it does. It kind of has issues popping back into place afterwards. See this? It's just yanking my hair out. Okay. It ruins my nails. Oh. Purple might be good. Let's try. Okay. So purple. Purple works. I like the purple. Let's try green. Ooh, green, I love it. I wonder if you can hear my stomach. Owie. Okay, so now I've got a ton of color in my hair. Oh, and it doesn't brush out. That's kind of cool. Yeah, so if you heard me at all, you probably didn't, but yeah. Hot Hues ripped my hair out, but I guess it's nice. So, yeah. Guess that's it. Bye.